Welcome back, guys. And today we are taking a sneak peek into one of the businesses that we have initiated from our farms. This is a first-hand look at our egg business. And yeah, you see some two cute hands here. I'm doing this with my kids and my spouse as well. And we are basically working on delivering eggs to a customer today. And I could have done this alone actually, but I deliberately involve my kids because I think it's very important that they get to appreciate the need to work with their hands at a young age. They are relatively younger, 9 years and almost 7 years old. And I want them to appreciate the value of working with your hands to earn. They are actually shareholders in this business. Yes, they gathered their tips and little gifts and monies we gave them for school. They saved some. I've taught them the concept of saving to invest, and this is how I'm nurturing them. They are part of the business. They are shareholders in this business, and I taught them to save and invest. You see, this little girl has already got the crate. Her brother is assisting her, and they are doing it. We are in our home, putting this together, and then I will pack it up and go and deliver. This is what I believe is one of the most important lessons you can ever teach your kid. The need to do things themselves, the need to learn to be entrepreneurial and not just stick to academics. They school just like any kid. I work. We all do a lot of things, but at the end of the day, this is part of our family bonding time. And you see the meticulousness with which they are going about this. You see, it goes to show you the fact that it's very profitable to be practical with your kids. It's very important to appreciate the fact that when we talk about education, it's not just in school, but also what you teach them in terms of the skills of life. So you see, she's just basically going to arrange, and they've arranged all this 20 crates. Yeah, you see one of them counting. I'm deliberately not showing their faces. I want to keep my, yeah. But you see, they are doing the maths. They are doing the tallying. They are doing the accounting. They are understanding the cost of the essence and an appreciation of putting in investments and reaping benefits. Some of us in our era didn't get hands-on appreciation of something like this. But I digress. So like I was saying, this is basically an appreciation of the fact that if you put in the work, you reap the benefits. It's a simple thing. You can't reap what you haven't sown. And if you put in the sweat and you are consistent, dedicated, and guided by the right information, you will definitely get a positive return and result. And seeing them do this, it goes a long way. This is education in a form that is beyond the classroom. I've taught them to understand that learning is not just at school or in the classroom. Learning is everywhere at home, everywhere in life. The principles, the ethics, and they bought into it. So in case you are wondering what is happening, they are checking for cracks. I'm doing it with them. We take it and then we check for cracks. If you are familiar with the egg business, you would realize that if you don't do that and you pack eggs that are cracked, over time they will be infested and they will start to affect the entire batch. And we at the Farmer in Me, we pride ourselves on quality. So we are making sure that the eggs we are going to deliver to our customer is actually well vetted, tested, fresh, quality, and with no cracks. 100% no crack situation. So you see, the next batch is here, and we are going and going. Yeah. Now, with this, they've already appreciated the concept of sorting the eggs in terms of cracked, broken, and at the point I would want to teach them to sort in sizes as well. For this particular customer, we are going to deliver unsorted eggs. And look at the size of these eggs. Of course, you can reach out to us if you need some, and we are readily available to assist you get some. We deliver to all parts of Ghana, and trust you me, you won't get it at what we will give you. Our offers are the best. Our quality is second to none. If you are watching this video and if you are here to subscribe, I will implore you that please just hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And subscribe to this channel because there's a journey that you can go on and prosper. And farming is one of the easiest ways to do that, although the inception isn't easy, I must confess. But if you are meticulous, determined, consistent, and well informed, trust you me, you are going to reap the benefits. And on this channel, we pride ourselves with the fact that we believe like there's a farmer in everyone. There's a farmer in you, there's a farmer in me, there's a farmer in everybody. And I'm on this channel to ensure that I bring it out of every single person that gets to watch this channel. I check my videos. Some we do it from our main farm. There are some we do it from our home gardening. There are some we do it from other places that we visit to engage with. All this is just to ensure that you appreciate the concept of farming and the fact that you don't need to necessarily be an educated person in agriculture, theoretically, so to speak, before you can be successful in farming. You just need the right information and the right inputs, and then dedication and persistence will get you to the rest of the way. What do you think? I'll be happy to hear from you with regards to the whole business of things and the money that comes with these things. This is money, I tell you. And the returns on the egg business is great. You wouldn't get this even if you bought shares in the company, because everybody eats eggs. That's the thing. Everybody eats eggs. So it's a fast moving consumer product, and the purchase is repeat. You just need to build your portfolio. I'm actually going to put out a video next to get into the egg business and talk a bit about it in case you want to start. Certain things you can consider. Of course, you can hit me up for one-on-one consultation. You can let me know in the comment section. I'll show you how to reach me, and then I can take you through the entire cycle. But I'm still going to put out an introductory video just so you get the fundamentals of venturing into the egg business. Subscribe if you are here to do so. I'll catch you on the next one.